Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add a vanilla Visa gift card to your Venmo account. First, you need to register your gift card. Take your card and visit the website written on the back of it. Once you are there, enter your card details and link your name with a billing zip code. This step is important because Venmo may not accept the card without a registered zip code. Next, open the Venmo app on your phone. When the app loads, tap on the Me tab or the menu icon with three horizontal lines. From there, go into Settings, then find and tap on Payment Methods. This is where you can manage and add new cards. Now tap on Add a bank or card, then select Card. You will now see a screen where you can enter your card details. Carefully type in the card number, expiration date, and CVV code from your vanilla Visa gift card. Make sure everything matches exactly. When asked for a zip code, enter the same zip code you used when registering the card. After entering all the information, tap on Add Card to complete the process. Venmo may place a small temporary charge, usually less than $1, just to verify that the card is active. This charge will normally be removed shortly after. That is how you add a vanilla Visa gift card to Venmo. Thanks for watching.